Hi friends and students, welcome back to my channel Maths Sun. In our last video, we have solved the problems from chapter number 8. We have solved the practice set 32, 33 and 34. Now we will take a few questions of similar type of practice set 34. We will solve couple of problems for that. In practice set 34, let us subtract the second expression from the first. So we solve couple of problems from this miscellaneous problem set 1. Here the problem number 19. They have written solve. We will solve couple of problems. 1 and third number. First of all, we will solve problem number 1. In problem number 1, there is a 6a. It is a addition problem as well as there is a addition problem as well as subtraction problem. We will solve both the problems. Problem number 1 is of addition and problem number 3 is of subtraction. We will solve both the problems. So 6a minus 5b minus 8c. It is this problem we are solving from miscellaneous plus this is 15b plus 2a minus 5c. So here we write 6a minus 5b minus 8c plus we will open the bracket 15b plus 2a minus 5c. So this ca and plus 2a will come together, ca plus 2a. Then this 5b and 15b will come here, that is 5b plus 15b. Then this minus 8c minus 5c will come here, minus 8c minus 5c. 6 plus 2, 8a. Here minus 5b plus 15b means we have to do the subtraction and put the sign from the highest big number, that is 15. So here we will come 15. 15 minus 5, that is 10b. Similarly, this minus minus we have to add. You have to do the addition. 8 5 plus 8 plus 5 is 13c. This is 13c. This is problem number 1. Now we will solve the problem number 3. We will solve problem number 3, that is 7m minus 5n minus 4n minus 11m. Here we will open the bracket 7m minus 5n minus, when we open this bracket, this minus will get plus. So minus minus plus 4n, this minus minus will get plus 4n m. Remember, when you open the bracket, this sign will get changed. When there is a minus sign, the sign inside this bracket will get changed. This minus will get plus, will become plus, and this minus will also become plus. So plus m. So 7m plus 11m. 7m plus 11m minus 5n plus 4n. 7 plus 11, 18m minus 5m plus 4m minus plus. So we have to do the subtraction. 5n minus 4n, that is 1n, and you have to put in big, sign of bigger number. So it is minus. So minus n. This is the answer. So we have now completed problem set 34. Now we will go for problem set 35. 35 is for multiplication. Means we have to do the multiplication of these equations. Maybe a monomial or binomial. So you have to do the multiplication. So we will go for the problem set 35. 35. So we will solve first problem. This is 16xy multiplied by 18xy. So we will do one thing. The problem here, we will take the figure at one side is 16 into say x into y. We will make it we will write it in simplification form into this is 18 into x into y. So we will keep this figure at one side 16 into 18. Then this xx will come here, x into x. Then this yy will come here. This is y. This is also y. So 16 8s are 128. So it is 8. We will carry 12 here. 16 on the 16 plus this 8 to 288 into. So we have to do x plus x into x is nothing but the x square. Similarly, y into y is nothing but the y square. So you can write down here 288 x square y square. This is the answer of this question. Question number first. Now we are going to solve the problem number say 4. We will solve problem number third and fourth. 3 will. So we will now going to solve this problem number third. Before that, I just want to remind you all to my friends and students, please subscribe me, please like my channel. The subscription is nothing but a motivation for me to make more videos. So please like my channel. My channel name is Maths Sun. So please subscribe my channel. Now we will go for problem number 3. That is 12a plus 17b into 4c. Here we have to multiply this equation with this equation, that is 4c. Now we will solve problem number 3. So this is one algebraic equation, this is another one. So first of all you have to multiply this 4c with this expression, then this. So 12a into 4c plus this is second expression 17b into 4c. So this is 12 into a into 4 into c plus 17 into b into 4 plus c. So 12 4s are 48. Then this is a and c will remain as it is plus 17 4s are 52 and then b and c will remain as it is. So this is the answer of this question. 48 AC plus 52 BC. Now we will solve the problem number 4. This is problem number 4. This is 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. So we have to multiply this equation with this equation. So first of all you have to write down this is 4x. This 4x is going to multiply by this. So we have to write 4x into first of all we will multiply 4x with 9x plus 7y. Then this plus sign plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. Now we have to what we have done here, we have multiply this 4x with this equation, then 5y, then in second time 5y in second here we then multiply 5y with this equation. Now here 4x into, we are opening this bracket, 9x plus 4x into 7y plus this 5y into 9x plus 5y into 7y. Now 9 4s are 36, and this x and this x, there are 2x, so it will become x square plus 4 7s are. So I will do one thing, I will add one more step here, so it will be little bit easier for all of you. I will do one thing, I will write down 4 into x plus 9 into x plus 4 into x plus 7 into y plus 5 into y, 5 into y into something. Okay, here also there is a multiplication. 4x, 4 into x plus 9 into x plus 4 into x into 7 into y plus 5 into y, 9 into x plus 5 into y into 7 into y. Now we will add, this is okay, 4x. Now what we will do? We will do, this is multiplication, so we have to add this bracket over here. Then this is another bracket. Oh, you do one thing. 9 4s are 36. This x. Now this 9 4s are 36. X square plus 4 7s are 28. This is xy plus 5 9s are 45. This y 45 xy plus these 5 7s are 35, and this is y square. Now we will do addition of this plus this, so 36 x square plus 28 plus 45, 8 plus 5 13, we will carry 1, then 2 plus 4 6, this is then 7 xy plus 35 y square. This is the answer of this question. Hope you might have understand it. Hope you might have understand all this question. I have tried to make it simplify. There is no need to write this step while solving the problem. Just to understand you, I have write one more step over here. I have included this step, so you don't have to write this step when you are while solving the problem. Instead of including this step, you can directly jump from this step to this step. So 9 4s are 36 here, x that is x square, then 4x into 7y, 7 4s are 28 xy, then 5 9s are 45, this is xy, then 5 7s are 35 y square. So then we have to add this because they have similar variables xy, so we have to add these variables over here. To make it understand, I have included this. Now we will move further, that is practice set 36. In practice set 36, we will solve the problems. I think in practice set 36, we have already solved problem number 1, 2. We will directly go to problem number 3. Practice set 36, problem number 3. Now we are going to solve practice set 36. In practice set 36, question number 1 and 2, we have solved similar types of problems, so we will not solve these problems. If you still have any query or doubt, you can comment me. I am still not getting any comments from your side. I need lot of comments, complaints from lot of suggestions, comments from you. so that I can improve myself and I give you better result. For that you have to subscribe my channel. My channel name is Maths Sun. Again and again I am repeating you, my channel name is Maths Sun. Please subscribe my channel. Subscription is required for me to motivate myself. So please subscribe my channel. Now we will move to practice at 36 and problem number 3. In 3, solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. Now first one is while solving all this practice set, I am not solving all the questions because I assume that whatever I have I solve the problem. You can solve other problems by going through all those solutions. So if you still want me to solve all the problems, you please comment me. Now first one is 4x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Here we have to do the addition. You know, this is the 4x. This is the only coefficient with variables. This coefficient, this is variables. We have learned earlier in our earlier video that x is nothing but a variable and 4 is the coefficient. But there is, what we will do? We will keep this 4x here and these numbers we will keep on other side, at right hand side. So here 9 by 2. This is plus 1 by 2. When we move here at right hand side, it will become minus 1 by 2. This is 4x is equal to, they have similar denominator, so denominator will come 2. This is 9 minus 1. This is 4x is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8 by 2. So 4 1 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. So here answer will come 4. So therefore x is equal to 4 minus 4. So 4 will get cancelled, answer will come 1. So x is equal to 1. This is the answer of this question. X is equal to 1. Now we will solve problem number say 4. Hope you have understood this problem very well. Why we have done this? Because here x is a variable and no variable is here, no variable is here. So what we have done? We have keep this coefficient of variable on left hand side and we move this 1 by 2 on right hand side. And when we move plus this 1 by 2 on right hand side, this plus sign will get automatically minus sign. So we will solve problem number 4. Now we will solve problem number 4. This is 6x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 8. So we will do one thing. We will what we will do? We will keep this x with coefficient on one side. This 6x. So this is x. This is also x. So we move this 3x on left hand side. This is there is no sign, means there is a plus side. When we move this 3x on left hand side, it will become 3x. This is will keep sign, equal sign. Then here it will remain 8. So we will move this minus 1 to right hand side. Minus 1 will become plus 1. So 6x minus 3x will be 3x. This 8 plus 1 9. So therefore x is equal to 9 upon 3. So x is equal to 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So this answer is x is equal to 3. We will keep what we have done here. We have keep all these variable with coefficient on one side and figures on right hand side. So it will be easy for us to solve the problem. Now we will move to problem number 4. What is the problem number 1? In problem number 4, they have written Rakesh age is less than Sanya age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? So Rakesh age is less than Sania age by 5 years. We don't know Rakesh age also. We don't know Sania age also. But we know that Rakesh age is less than Sania age. So you have to assume Sania age. So what I will directly solve the problem. I am not writing this problem. Rakesh age is less than Sania age by 5 years. So we will consider Sania age as x. Sania age is equal to x. So what you have written? Rakesh Sania age is equal to x. Now what you have written? Rakesh age is less than Sania age. So Rakesh age is less than Sania age by 5 years. Means it is x minus 5. So Rakesh age is less than Sania age by 5 years. Now what I have written? The sum of their age is 27 years. So x plus. So what I have written? Rakesh is less than. The sum of their ages is 27 years. So sum of their age is 27 years. 27. So x plus x minus 5 is equal to 27. So x plus x is equal to 2x. We'll shift this minus 5 to here. This will become plus 5. So 2x is equal to 32. So x is equal to 32 divided by 2. We'll move this 2 from here to here. So 2 ones are 2. This is 2. This answer will come 16. So x is equal to 16. What is this age? Sania age is 16. How old are they? So what will be the answer? Sania age is 16 years. What is Rakesh age? Rakesh age is equal to x minus 5. That is x is nothing but 16. So 16 minus 5 is equal to 11 years. So we can put it bracket in this answer in bracket. So this is the answer. Now we will move to problem number 5. Now we are going to solve the problem number 5. When planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of Ashoka tree by 60. If there are altogether 200 of these two types, how many jambul trees were planted? When planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater. What you have written? The number of jambul trees planted was greater than number of Ashoka trees by 60. So you have to assume here Ashoka trees. I am writing down the solution here. So Ashoka trees by 60. What I have written? Jambul trees planted was greater than the number of Ashoka trees. So we will assume Ashoka trees is equal to x. So jambul trees. So we will consider jambul trees are greater than Ashoka trees. If you consider Ashoka trees x, it is greater than jambul trees. Ashoka trees. So x plus 60 is the number of jambul trees. If they are all together 200 trees, so both of them is 200. So x plus 60 is equal to 200. We will open the bracket. X plus 60 is equal to 200. So this is 2x plus 60 is equal to 200. So 2x is equal to 200. This plus 60 will get here, we'll write down here, so minus 60. So 2x is equal to 140. So x is equal to 140 divided by 2. 2 1 the 2 and here 2 7 the 14 plus 0. So answer will come over. X is equal to 70. So what you have written? How many Jamul trees were planted? Jamul trees. So Jamul trees is equal to x plus 60. So here 70, because x answer we got 70 plus 60 is equal to 130 numbers. This is the answer of this question. Okay guys, we have solved 2 problems. Hope you have enjoyed this session. In problem 36 I have tried to solve as many questions as possible. Hope you might have understood it. If you have any problem, then you can suggest me or comment me. So this is my channel name. Please subscribe to Maths Sun. Don't forget to like and share and comment your suggestions. Your suggestions are most welcome. So hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.